All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Dimitri, otherwise known as Gashet Up. And all I'm going to be doing is just making a simple video to show where new sellers could possibly get some free supplies. So we just opened up a new tab and we're just going to type in Google real quick into that tab. And we're just going to type in USPS supplies. It's going to be this first one right here. And this already highlighted website is the one we're going to be using. So it's going to be the store.usps.com. And it's going to be under the supplies tab. And these are just some of the supplies that you could be receiving. So we have the priority mail tie-back envelope. We have the priority mail padded envelope. And we have the flat rate envelope and the legal envelope. These are different sizes, and if it's a flat rate price, it is one flat price. But as you can see, just to get you started, it's going to cost you $0. So all you have to do after just putting what you need in the cart is literally just send your address, and you'll be able to get some of these packages for free. They have the medium box, the large box, and then there's two variations of some of these boxes. So we do have the top lay and the flat lay, and you can get both. It's just going to be depending on what kind of items that you want to put into the box. And the last box I do suggest you get, I will save you guys some time. We're going to click on page 4, is the priority mail shoe box, and it's going to be a 7x5x14, and that's this box right here. And this again is going to be based off weight. So as long as you have a pair of shoes that you can fit into that box, you would just have to weigh your item, and depending on where that customer is located, you'll just be charged that price for this type of box. So if this video was helpful in any way, please just go ahead and leave that like button. You can share the video so that other beginner resellers can also see this. And if you'd like to comment or ask me a question, just go ahead and go do that at the bottom of the screen, and I will be glad to help you guys out. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.